I'm Rene Valencia from the United States. I'm a customer of the machinery company here. I've been a customer for a while. I like their professionalism, everything fine. The quality on the machines are really good. I really appreciate their work, and I definitely gonna be buying from these guys again. If you guys, you can be confident on what you're buying. Thank you very much, and yeah, come over and look at the machines, and you'll be surprised on how good they are, the quality of the product, and the warranties that they offer with the technician and general maintenance that they can provide by phone or computer. They help you with any kind of maintenance on it. Thank you.